Picture this, you wake up in the morning, you swing your legs off the bed, and before you even stand up, your knees make their presence known. That stiffness, that hesitation, that sharp little reminder when you take those first few steps. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In fact, more than 60% of adults over 60 deal with ongoing knee discomfort. But here's what most people get wrong. It's not just old age. It's not simply wear and tear. In most cases, knee pain shows up because the muscles that are supposed to support the joint have quietly gotten weaker. And the best part? You can rebuild that strength. Safely, naturally. No gym required. Today, I'm going to show you 3 research-backed exercises that can strengthen your knees, improve stability, and reduce pain, even if you've been struggling for years. And we'll start in just a second. But before we go further, I want to talk about something important. Many seniors don't just deal with knee pain, they live with a quiet fear. Fear of falling at home, fear of losing balance, fear that one bad fall could take away independence. And that fear is real. One fall can change everything. That's exactly why I created my fall prevention guide for seniors 60 plus. This isn't optional information, it's essential. Inside, you'll find senior-safe fall prevention exercises, simple home safety adjustments that reduce risk immediately, easy routines designed specifically for adults over 60, step-by-step guidance to strengthen weak legs and improve balance. Most falls are preventable with the right strategy. And if you're serious about protecting your independence, or you're worried about a parent or loved one, this guide can truly make a difference. You'll find the link to this guide in the description and in our bio. Make sure to check it out. Now let's get into what really causes knee pain after 60. Most people blame cartilage or arthritis alone. But the deeper issue, muscle imbalance. As we age, we sit more, we move less. We stop using full ranges of motion. Over time, the quadriceps, the hamstrings, and especially the glutes become weaker. And when those muscles stop doing their job, the knee ends up carrying loads it was never meant to handle alone. Clinical research shows adults with chronic knee pain can have up to 40% less strength in the thigh and hip muscles compared to pain-free individuals. When those muscles stop absorbing shock, every step hits harder. So if you want to truly reduce knee pain, you don't just treat the knee. You strengthen the support system around it. Let's start with exercise number 1. Exercise 1. The chair, sit to stand. This may look simple, but it's powerful. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair. Feet flat, slightly wider than hip width. Back tall, chest lifted. Cross your arms over your chest. Now press your feet into the floor and stand up slowly. No pushing off your thighs. No rocking, no momentum. Then lower yourself back down. Slowly and under control. That's 1 repetition. Start with 8 to 10 reps. Rest for 30 seconds. Complete 3 sets. This strengthens your quadriceps, the main shock absorbers for your knees, while also improving balance. Research from Osaka University showed older adults who practiced this movement 3 times a week reduced knee pain by nearly 47% in just 8 weeks. But here's the secret. Go slow on the way down. Don't drop into the chair. Keep your knees aligned over your toes. Don't let them cave inward. If it feels too difficult, use a higher chair or add a firm cushion. As you build strength, gradually lower the height. And once you can comfortably perform 10 strong reps, it's time for exercise number 2. Exercise 2, the step up. This one is a long-term knee protector. Find a low step, a stair, even a thick book. Place 1 foot on top. Shift your weight forward and step up slowly until both feet are on the platform. Then step back down with control. Alternate legs every 5 to 10 reps. Start with 2 sets of 10 per leg. This movement activates the glutes and hamstrings, the big power muscles that reduce pressure on your knees. Research from Kyoto Medical Center showed step-up training reduced knee load during walking by nearly 30% in 6 weeks. Here's a key tip. Push through your heel, not your toes. That engages your glutes and keeps your knee stable. If balance feels tricky, hold on to a wall or chair. Remember, precision over speed. Controlled steps retrain your muscles and your nervous system to work together again. And if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Now the third move might surprise you, because it looks almost too easy, but it's incredibly effective. Stay with us till the end. The last part is a game changer. Exercise 3. Straight leg raises lie flat on your back. One leg bent, foot flat on the floor. The other leg straight. Tighten the thigh muscle of the straight leg first. Flex your toes toward you. Then slowly lift the leg until your knees are level. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower slowly. Repeat 10 times per side. Complete 3 sets. This isolates the quadriceps without compressing the knee joint. It's commonly used in rehabilitation after knee surgery because it safely rebuilds joint-supporting strength. A 12-week study from Nagoya University Hospital found adults over 60 reduced knee pain by 32% with consistent leg raises. If lying flat is uncomfortable, do it in bed or seated. But here's the key. Contract the thigh before you lift. That activation is everything. Now let's talk about something important. After 60, muscle fibers shrink faster, especially in the quads and glutes. The nervous system also becomes less efficient at activating them. That's why movements that once felt automatic can suddenly feel unstable. But here's the encouraging part. These changes are highly reversible. Even adults in their 70s regained significant strength in 6 to 8 weeks with consistent low-impact training. When muscles strengthen, knee pressure decreases, alignment improves. Daily movements feel smoother, and there's another hidden benefit. Your knees contain synovial fluid, a natural lubricant that nourishes cartilage. Movement stimulates its production. When you move consistently, your knees literally bathe themselves in healing fluid. That's why gentle daily motion can slow arthritis progression by up to 40%. It's not about intensity, it's about consistency. Here's a simple 8-minute routine. 30 seconds ankle circles, 10 sit-to-stands, 10 step-ups per leg, 10 straight leg raises per side, less than 8 minutes. Big results. Trust me, don't skip the ending. Pain is information, not punishment. Sharp, sudden pain? Stop and rest. Mild warmth or soreness? That's muscle reactivation. Your knees are not doomed by age. They're waiting to be supported again. 3 simple exercises. No machines, no expensive programs. Just your body, doing what it was designed to do. Start today. Within a week, you'll likely feel more stability. Within a few weeks, less hesitation. And in a few months, you might forget knee pain was ever running your life. Also, follow us on Facebook for daily updates and behind-the-scenes tips. Stay strong, stay steady, and take care of those knees.